Hello everyone. Today I will guide you on how to fix a Tapo camera SD card not formatting. First, check the SD card placement. Turn off your Tapo camera and unplug it from power. Remove the SD card from the slot and inspect it. Make sure the card is clean and not damaged. Insert the SD card back into the camera firmly until it clicks into place. Power the camera back on and wait for it to reconnect to the app. Many formatting problems are caused by the card not sitting correctly in the slot. Next, open the Tapo app on your phone. On the home screen, select your camera. Tap the settings icon in the top corner. Scroll down until you see the storage or SD card option. Tap on it and choose Format SD card. Confirm the action and allow the camera time to complete the process. Do not close the app while formatting is in progress. If the issue continues, the SD card itself may be the problem. Make sure the card meets the camera requirements. Some cards are not supported or may be too large in storage size. Try using a different micro SD card from a trusted brand. You can also insert the card into a computer to see if it can be read or formatted there. If none of these steps work, the SD card may be damaged or the camera slot could be faulty. In this case, contacting Tapo support is recommended. Thanks for watching.